Let me invite our next presenter. It's Drawing Desk by 4-Axis Solutions Private Limited.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anuruddha, and I'm from 4-Axis Solutions. Before we move on to this presentation, let me ask you a simple question. If I give you a white screen, a complete white screen in your mobile device or in your tablet, will you ever imagine that you can give 1,000 different color definitions to it? And I'm proud to say we have found a great way of doing it. Meet our flagship product, Drawing Desk, which has been featured in Apple App Store, Google Play, and even in Amazon App Store. So what is Drawing Desk? Drawing Desk is a drawing application which is developed for iOS and Android platforms. When talking about Drawing Desk, it has covered wide variety of range of age of people who can use it, such as children to adults and from amateur to professionals. And also, I'm proud to say, since it was mentioned about the user interface in our application, we had thought a lot about the user interface and its simplicity. Not only that, we have given the social network sharing opportunity for all of them to share their ideas, to share their expressions, and to share their creativity. And not only that, though it is not mentioned here, we have localized this app to 9 languages in the App Store and in the Google Play. And I'm proud to say it has gained a global attention as one of the most recognized entertainment mobile app in the App Store. Let me say why I'm saying that. When we go to the App Store, it has reached more than 2 million downloads up to date. And also, currently, in every day, we get more than 10,000 downloads. Not only that, normally people will download your app, but will they remain it? Will they keep it in their mobile device? Actually, up to now, we can say that it has exceeded more than 20 million sessions. And also, in every day, we get 3,600 hours of sessions, which means up to now, we have about 100 years long sessions through this app. Actually, I'm not saying this is the greatest app, but let's see what's the App Store saying. In the Google App Store, in the iPad category, in the productivity category, you can see in 45 countries, it has been ranked as #1 product. Not only that, in some other major countries such as United Kingdom, US, Canada, Australia, and so many other countries, it has gained its position. When we talk about iOS development, not only the iOS development, what about the Android version? The Android version is named as the free app of the day in Japan. And it has also gained a good position in about 100 countries and ranked in top featured apps. So, to gain this kind of a position in the App Store and in the Google Play, what are the features we have in our application? Actually, we have 4 user modes: Kids Desk, then Doodle Desk, and then Sketch Desk, and the Photo Desk. So when talk about the Kids Desk, what is Kids Desk? Kids Desk is mainly target for the kids. So the people, the children, they can bring out their creativity. They can do drawings, they can play with it, and to do this, we have given wide variety of brushes, stencils, stamps, and full color range. Not only that, even parents, they like to do drawings. Even ourselves, we like to share something that we have done. So to do that, we have introduced the Doodle Desk. It has a collection of 3D brushes, full color palette, undo and redo functionality, smooth erasing functions. Not only that, it can import images directly from Facebook, Instagram, Flickr, and Picasa. Now let's move on to the Sketch Desk. When talking about the Sketch Desk, it has targeted for the professionals. Normally, if you are a professional in graphic designing or textile designing or wireframe designing, you need a place where can you do sketches on the go. So we thought of introducing the Sketch Desk, providing this feature. So it has wide variety of tools like pen tool, pencil tool, paintbrush, line tool, and etc. With all these together, in the modern society, we know that most of you like to share your feelings and share wherever you go your photos and edit them and share with your friends. So to do this, we have introduced the photo disk. So in the photo disk, we have given you the chance to edit all the photos that you have. Even in the album, even from Facebook, you can edit them and share with your friends. To do this, we have given a collection of stamps, stickers, vibrant frames, live brushes, and etc. With all these together, as I have mentioned earlier, what is the social impact of this app? When we talk about the social impact, as you can already identify, there are three main categories that this app give impact. First one is the children, because as you know, children who are under 5 years old, most of the time, they learn by doing things. So through this application, Kids Mode, they can easily draw things, they can get educated, and they can put their creativity out. Not only that, the adults can use the doodle desk and even the photo desk. They can use it to bring out their ideas, share their feelings. Even in a stressful situation, they can share their ideas using this application. And for the professionals, when talking about the professionals, as I have mentioned earlier, the sketch desk is specifically targeted for the professionals, where they can use this tool to do their sketches and have idea about it. So with all these things, what is the future of this app? What is the future of Drawing Desk? We thought of optimizing the Drawing Desk engine. Though it is one of the greatest drawing applications in the App Store, we thought that we have to optimize it to gain the full output from all the OSs, Android and iOS. Not only that, we have identified that people need stylus support to draw something very clear and very unique. So to do that, we have introduced the stylus. We are going to introduce the stylus as a hardware support equipment. And also, we thought of delivering a tangible output. Actually, we have already taken the first step by giving the stuffed toys from the images children draw. If the children draw an image, they can ask their parent to buy the stuffed toys that they need. So from that image, we provide them the stuffed toys to their doorsteps. Not only that, we thought of integrating book of paintings and photo albums also. So in the future, you will be able to get a printed book of your children's paintings. With all together, I am proud to say that I am standing here as one of the members who has developed this application, which has recognized Sri Lanka as one of the greatest places of developing software applications for the App Store and Google Play. And I invite all of you to please come and check this application if you haven't already downloaded. And I know some of you may already be one of the members in those 2 million fan base of this application. Thank you very much.